Hi, I'm RJ and welcome back to my mythos. I have done something to my neck and we all know that good old Glossybox is never worth actually getting on screen for, so screw doing my makeup. Here's my hands. This is a top-down version for the month of September 2023. Woo! Excellent. Shortest version of that intro. Now, we know the score with these. They turn up every month. I'm disappointed usually. And this month is no exception. Yes, I've already actually looked what's in this. I try not to do that usually, but meh. I have, I think, either this one and one more, or this one and two more left before my annual subscription runs out. I will not be renewing. I'm just going to spend £12 a month on something that I actually want. Or I might try and find a different subscription box, so if there's any in the UK that are pretty good, leave me in the comments down below and I'll look into them. I would love to do the P. Louise box, but number one, I'm fairly certain she got in trouble for racism, so I don't know if I want to buy into that. And number two, it's expensive. This is Squeak. Squeak says hi. Right, so I have up the little magazine that tells me about everything that's inside of this. Quick sneak peek for you. Let's take the top off and have a look. This is how a Glossybox comes. Take off the ribbon. Unwrap the crap. So, yeah, ignore the fact that you can see my tripod leg. It is what it is. Right, what's the first thing? First thing is the Aveeno Daily Moisturiser. I think this is a body lotion, is it? Yeah, this is a body lotion. I don't use body lotions, but I recently found out that my boyfriend actually does, and may even use this exact one. So, there you go, babe. Moisturiser for you. Let's see what Glossybox says. So, Aveeno Daily Moisturiser. This is a deluxe size. Notoriously known for being gentle and caring to sensitive skin, Aveeno is suitable for the most sensitive of skin types. That's bad grammar. Containing prebiotic colloidal oatmeal, it preserves the skin's natural microbiome. Take extra care of your skin as we approach the colder months and apply daily for ultimate softness. And this is worth £4. So yep, Aveeno Body Moisturiser. Woo, exciting. Next, Daily Concept Rounds. So I thought this was a like microfiber makeup removers. It's not. This is a body scrubber, which, no, these things are just crap gimmicks. According to Glossybox, this one says, maximise your clean with this Daily Concepts body scrubber. The textured fabric outer surface provides a deeper clean than you can achieve with just soapy hands. Use with your fave cleanser for skin that's cleansed deep within the pores. And this is worth £16. £16? This is a piece of silicone. This is just some spiky rubber. You know? You often get this on the back of those ones that they've got this on the back and then they've got a brush on here. Oh look, it's got a loop so you can hold it. It's crap. That's going to feel awful on your skin. It's rubber. It's going to be so harsh, and yeah, just on the back of my hand, that feels awful, like, and look at the colour of it. That is an awful, awful colour. It's like someone's handed you a piece of flesh pulled off some poor Caucasian Shakespearean character who owed money to Shylock. Yeah, okay. No, this is awful. Yuck, I hate it. So that will get, I know, donated somewhere probably. Just had a genius idea while editing. This looks like a makeup brush cleaner. That's what I'm going to use it for. I'm going to use it for cleaning makeup brushes. There you go. That's a life hack you can have for free. Right, that's the crap out the way. Hopefully, I think everything else in here is a slight bit better. So, next thing is from Grace and Stella. And this is a rose spray, a hydrating facial spray. Now this I'm actually quite happy to receive because I've been saying that I need to get a little rehydrating spray that I can carry around with me, and this looks like it will be perfect. It's all wrapped up, so I will unwrap that while I tell you what this is. So according to Glossybox, this rose spray is the perfect antidote for acne, inflammation, oily and dry skin. Rosewater spray has been around for centuries and has been used because of its antibacterial properties. Spritz on for an instant skin refreshment. This is another deluxe size and it's also worth £16. You know my rant about deluxe sizes by now if you've watched this channel before. If you don't, I think deluxe sizes are a con because it basically means travel size but sounds better. Cool, this is nice and simple. It looks, for £16, this looks really cheap. This looks like, you know when you go to like, I don't know if these are a thing outside of England, but in England we have things called church fetes, and they often have like craft stalls or bring and buys or tombolas, things like that. And there's usually some woman there who makes her own like beeswax lip balms, for example, and these kind of sprays and like natural deodorants and stuff like that. They're usually really good. Like I'm not knocking those kinds of things at all. You can usually find some really nice stuff, but they're pretty much always just a cheap plastic bottle with a printed sticker, and that's exactly what this is. This is, yeah. So for £16, that seems ridiculous. Let's have a squeeze. Spray's nice. Yeah, that does smell of rose. It's what I expected it to smell like. I mean, I've just been very negative about it, but actually like I say, I'm quite pleased to have this because I've said I could do with one of these. Rehydrating facial sprays are quite a nice thing to have. So I'm not upset by it, but I'm a little unenthused, even though I'm happy to own it. There we go. That's the third thing. Next is, this is the balm from Staniac. Is the balm the, oh no, the balm is the brand. This is Staniac. Ah, okay. So the balm, written around the bottom there, Staniac is the product name because this is a lip and cheek tint. Cool. Yeah, we all know how these work. You paint them on and they go like a pinky colour. I'll just dry my hand off before I try this on. Let's see. Oh, nice little doe foot. Yeah. Yeah, it's like the Benefit one that was popular, God, decades ago, back when I worked in Superdrug. Yeah, it's just a thin stain. See what the write-up says. Avoid unsightly streaks with Staniac. Our 2-in-1 lip and cheek stain gives a natural light flush to complement any skin tone. Just dab a touch on your cheek or lips for a kiss of colour, or use the applicator to layer for a deeper shade. And since Staniac features an aloe-infused formula, the stain won't set too soon. This is another deluxe size, worth £6.64. This could be a full size for £6.64. Like, I don't know how much bigger a full size would be because this has... How much does this have? This doesn't say how many fluid ounces it is. Oh, it does there. It's 1.7ml or 0.05 fluid ounces. Yeah. Let's see. Let's blot it out. See what it does. Oh, it does leave a stain. Like it says. I mean, it does what it says it's going to do. I don't think I would ever use this for a cheek tint. I don't particularly like cheek stains because, like you can see here, there's a nice solid line. I wonder if you can blend it out if you do it straight from the beginning. Like if I bob some on and then rub it straight out, does that blend in? Yeah, see, if you do it that way, it seems to blend away to nothing. And if you leave it, you end up with a solid line around it, so you look like a China doll. So, no, I don't think I'll use it for cheek tint, but that might be quite a nice, you know, if I'm not doing makeup, but I want my lips to not look like, you know, death. Then, yeah. So, it's fine. It's like the face spray, it's okay, but it's a little bit meh. Meh. And the final thing in here, this is, we've got another mystery product. I mean, I could have got a few things, two things. The mystery product was only one or the other today apparently. I could have got some Polar Eternal Snow Cream. I have no idea what that is. It looks like some kind of rescue balm kind of thing. Or I could have got this Wild Science Lab Night Shift Renewal Eye Serum, which is what I got. It's a while since Glossybox has sent us an eye bag product. They must think we've run out of the balm they sent us last time, which I haven't because I'm useless at doing my skincare and I very rarely actually wear it. Let's see if this one will be more use for me. So, Night Shift Renewal Eye Serum is a multi-action 3-in-1 serum which targets puffiness, dark circles and fine lines, refining the texture and tone of the eye contour with an innovative botanical active complex including skin-tolerant retinol-like bakuchiol, which helps to lift, firm and brighten delicate skin. 99% naturally derived ingredients, vegan and cruelty-free, and worth £17. So to me a serum should be like watery rather than a balm. So let's see. No, that's definitely a balm. That's not a serum at all. Yep, that feels like an eye cream. I'm not sure if there's anything else I can actually say about that. It looks like an ice cream. It feels like an ice cream. Ice cream? I wish it was ice cream. Ice cream would be great. Looks like an eye cream. Feels like an eye cream. Is probably an eye cream. Cool. Okay, again, I'm not bothered for this. It'll sit in my drawer and I'll eventually probably use it and then maybe throw it out. I don't know anyone who uses these. I can't even pass it on. Okay, anyway, this is what the box was. So we got the boring ass eye cream. We got the badly designed rose spray. We got the Staniac lip and cheek tint. We got the Aveeno daily moisturising lotion. And we got the creepy silicone face scrubber thing. Well then, I might not even bother editing this video, honestly. I might just bang it up like I used to do when I did my own edited Glossybox, because this is boring. Boring! Cool. Alright, well, don't forget to tune in next month and see how they can bore me out of resubscribing. I hope I see you back in my mythos soon. Bye.